Hi, my name is Kerrie Lovins, and I'm excited to be bringing a workshop to Collective Aporia in the month of May. My workshop is called Explorative Meditation, Your Sacred Journey. And my goal is to support you in exploring more ideas about what meditation is and new ways to engage with your practice. Because there's so many paths and expressions to your sacred self. And within your day, you could be holding clues to what meditation practices really support you and help you along to open up your creativity. So, if you feel like there's parts of you that are still waiting to be discovered and honored, this is a great class. I want to offer a space for us to come together in a thoughtful and meaningful way, because in each interaction we have, we're creating our story, our discovery. And as much as I hope to offer you seeds to grow, you too hold seeds that help me grow and everyone around you to grow. So that's where the joy kind of comes from in meditation. It's from community and sharing our journey and being able to be fascinated with each other's path and honoring each person's unique and sacred journey through this life. So we'll be touching on different practices, including song, laughter, prompts, reflective meditations, medicine cards, sacred geometry, and so much more. I hope you can join me in May. We'll be having 4 workshops, and there'll also be a live discussion at the end of it all. We'll have small discussion groups. There'll be an opportunity for you to share your creations of how you create your meditation practice. Maybe it's through art, poetry, dance, song, whatever that might look like for you. I hope you'll be able to share some of that with everyone. Finally, there'll be a guided meditation for the group on creativity and inspiration. So I really hope you can join me, and I look forward to seeing you in May.